Welcome back, Geoff Duplessis here, Cumbria maker. Now if you like me have a ProEdge sharpening system that you use for your chisels and gouges on the lathe, you also probably want to use it to sharpen drill bits. Now they have lots of jigs and tools, all the bits and pieces that you need to sharpen your ball gouges, but there ain't a tool available for sharpening a drill. So I just did a little bit of work and developed this very nifty little tool. It'll help me get this drill bit have two facets. So a primary facet for the main cutting and the clearance second facet, included angle of 118 degrees. It's a little bit I designed on Onshape and printed it on my 3D printer. Let me show you how it works. Alright, so you've got a nice belt that's on your grinder. I've got a 120 grit. The first thing you do is remove your indexing block because you don't need that for this, it doesn't work for this. And you look on the little device here and it says first grind 12 degrees, and you use that angle there to set the bed to the belt at the 12 degrees. Tighten it now. You don't have that indexing nut, so you need to make sure it's quite tight. And then you have a look at this jig. It's got two sides, one which is at 12 degrees and the one which is at 35 degrees. We'll come back to that one later. So you're going to put the 12 degrees against the belt. You get your bit, and you're now going to make the first primary grind. So you pick either slot depending on the size of the drill bit, smaller bits here obviously and bigger ones here. You make sure that this face is horizontal, and I'm going to come in here and make the first grind. It's really important to make sure that these two faces are the same length. So measure them out. This face here needs to be ground more, so if it's not evenly ground, it will pull to the one side of the hole. There you go, so the primary grind is done, both sides are the same length. Now you go to the secondary grind, you loosen that, you put the tool in the second grind there, it's the second angle, you turn this tool around. We're now going to come and do the clearance bevel. Now see, I've got quite a bit of material I need to remove, so to speed that up I'm going to change the belt, put on a more aggressive belt. Got back on. There you go. A double bevel grind, 118 degrees included angle. All dead simple. So just as an aid to make sure that you get those angles, the two lengths of the cutting faces exactly the same, I've developed this little jig here. So basically you hold the drill into the jig, you check that the two faces are touching at the same time, as you can see they are, and that tells me it's exactly ground correctly. If one touches before the other, you just grind that side down until you get it right. But by doing this, you've got a drill. It will drill centrally, it will drill to the diameter you want, and it'll cut nice and sharp, clean sides of your hole, and create a hole. And that's what you're after all. Anyway, I hope you find it useful. If you like, click the like button, subscribe. There'll be more stuff coming along.